Welcome back to the channel. Paint session for you today. New lineup. Went fishing the other day, tons of shad in the water, and I want to replicate the flash, the different colors that these shads are displaying at this time of the year, especially here on my home lake. So this new lineup is going to be the Spark or Sparkle Shad lineup. We're going to be putting a lot of depth, a lot of different shades of pearls, color shifting paints, candies, that type of paint. I don't know if we want to call it an advanced paint, but I think it's going to be a great new lineup. It's going to be transparent bodies. It's going to be solid bodies with lots of pearl flake that's layered in there to give us the most lifelike shad patterns that I think that we can put on the market. All right, so with that being said, let's go spray some paint. We're going to be doing the blue spark shad. Okay, new lineup of baits here. We're going to do a kind of a knockoff 110 plus. And we're going to be doing this blue spark shad. So we're going to be layering a lot of different pearls to get that flash that we want out of our bait fish replicating lures. So first up, I'm coming over this with a transparent base that's got some eye candy glimmer blue. We just want to layer that on and give that a good foundation for other paints to adhere to. Because most of these are going to be transparent baits. Boy, I tell you what, if you haven't tried and you're a custom painter, eye candy, I got the Ghost set. It comes with some trial. This will be my first use with them. I'm not an affiliate of eye candy. I found these from seeing some other guys utilizing some of these products. So again, really impressed. Almost that holographic look. I don't know if that's picking that up on the camera, but that's going to be a great one. Here's what we're using today, the Ghost Glimmer Blue. And that's going to be our foundation for our baits. And again, like, we are going to layer it and get multiple colors. I don't know how many times we have seen bait fish in our waters and show off and flash multiple different colors. So that's what we're going to be looking for in our spark shad pattern. So next up, we're going to come right down the bank with right down the back with a gloss black. Now, this is the black that I use generally when I'm doing my easy chrome, quicksilver chromes. It's got a real good gloss to it. Just layer it on there, give it a good heat set. Now this is an aluminum base fine, but I'm just going to go real light anyway, because what we're going to do is we're going to be covering this back of this thing with a candy shad. But I want that aluminum, that fine aluminum color over that black. Now we're going down with our candies. Just a light coat. And with these candies, you know, sometimes it takes 3, depending on how dark you want it. little bit of that fall down the sides. Now, most of our shad have a, even if they're thread fin, which is generally, that's basically what I want these patterns to kind of replicate. They usually always have a solid belly. Let me get that in frame for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit this one real quick off camera. Okay, our second layer of colors is gonna be a sparkle gold. What you doing, Brock?
Lay on the GoPro. Morning with it.
Okay. All right, that's sparkle gold, and I've got the blue underneath it, just a little along that back. Really, really bringing out some pop. So now we've got a blue base layer and a gold over the top of that to really give it some extra flash. Next, we want to give it that pearl white belly. Okay, getting low on battery life, so we're pretty much there. Now, I'm not going all the way to the tail. I'm leaving that a little bit translucent. Let a little bit of that pearl white go up into the back. So this is our new line. I think you guys, we're gonna like this. I think it's gonna replicate our bait fish population extremely well. Man, I've been seeing a lot of bait and they've been displaying a lot of different colors in the water. I'm kind of a blue and green guy, so this is gonna be our blue spark shad, and we'll come out with a green here in a few weeks. We'll get us some cool looking eyes in this thing. I'm thinking we'll either go with a silver or with a gold eye. We'll take some pics, man. I don't know if that camera's picking it up, but that solid belly, those translucent sides with that double layer of flake is incredible. So what we did, and again, this Hot Rod Sparkle Gold is just tremendous stuff, I tell you. But our base layer was, again, the Eye Candy Glimmer Ghost in a transparent base. And it's just a wicked transparent base. Right here it is. All right. Those were our first lineups. Okay. Then we came over the sides of the bait with or actually we went over the top of the bait with the 4258 gloss black. And we spritzed just a little bit of aluminum base to get our Carabine Blue candy to really pop and create some definition. And we came back over the sides with our Hot Rod Sparkle Gold, and we finished it off with a pearlized white belly.